Motorola launched the Moto G73 smartphone back in January last year. While there were some rumors about the Moto G74, it never came out. Motorola has officially listed the Moto G75 5G on its Western Europe regional website. It is the world's first phone powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chip. Motorola Moto G75 features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate, up to 1000 nits brightness, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The power button and volume rocker are seen on the right edge. The power button is tipped to double as a fingerprint sensor. It paired with 8GB RAM and an optional 128GB or 256GB storage. You get a 50MP primary camera using the Sony LYTIA600 sensor, an 8MP ultrawide and a flicker sensor, a 16-megapixel front camera. It packs a 5000 mAh battery and supports 30W wired fast charging and 15W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.